Hi, I'm Mike Morgan, the R&D specialist here at Danchuk. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the hood springs on a 55 Chevy. 56 is the same and 57 is very similar. We already took the spring off. We put some washers in here. You just lower the hood a little bit. It elongates the spring, slide the washers in. Then when you lift the hood back up, the spring comes off right on your hand, easy. Now that we removed the old spring, we're going to take the washers out, stick them in the new spring, so it'll go right back on the way we took it off. Just like the springs we removed from the car, we're going to flex the spring open and put washers in between the coils to elongate it, to help it go into the car easier. Now that we have the washers in the spring, we're going to go ahead and install it. Should go on really easy. Now that we have both springs on the car, you can lift the hood up a little, take out your support, and then when you lower the hood, all the washers will fall out and you're done. You might be able to get away without using the washers on a 55 or a 56. 57, I would definitely recommend using the washer trick because it has this more stout spring and the hood doesn't overextend like this on a 55 and a 56. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and check out our Danchuk USA channel on YouTube.